What's the meaning of candlestick? Candlestick. Candlestick.
Candlestick. Candlestick. A candlestick is a type of chart used in financial analysis to represent the price movements of an asset, such as a stock or commodity. It consists of a vertical line, the wick, and a rectangular body, which can be either hollow or filled. The length of the wick indicates the range between the highest and lowest prices during a given time period, while the body represents the difference between the opening and closing prices. Candlestick charts are popular due to their ability to provide more information than traditional line charts.